Hey y'all, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my crochet braids in, so I'm just gonna show you guys a few really easy, really quick styles that you can do when you have crochet braids in. It's kind of like a revamp of like one of my last videos, and yeah, let's just jump to it.
Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever quit, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cost a thing. But I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, focus. Can't you see? I just want a little baby. I'll be this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cost a thing. But I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
So yeah, those were just a few like really easy styles. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna like, try to do something different next time, so we're gonna see how it works. But yeah, make sure that you're subscribed, make sure that you like if you like this video. Thumbs up. Comment what you want to see next, and yeah, I'll see y'all next time.